Okay? Friday, it's okay. I understand you had a rough morning, okay? You got to do somebody. Hey girl, hey, good evening, good afternoon, good morning, wherever you are located in this wonderful world. Hello. It is Monday. It's almost 6 p.m. I just got home from work and I just put on something comfortable because I'm about to finish up a couple more things for work because your girl is going on vacation Saturdays. Monday, I leave Saturday. So I have Monday, Tuesday. I think Monday is done. I have Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday to get everything together I need for vacation because I'll be gone for a week. And girl, stuff is just everywhere. But I got a package. So we are doing vacation prep in this vlog. I don't know if I mentioned that, but vacation prep. Everything that I need to do for this vacation, we're gonna do it together in this vlog, okay? Me and you together in this vlog. And girl, mamas, TT, I am so overwhelmed with everything I have to do, and I'm trying to do everything on a budget. Let me show y'all what I got from Amazon. So another item that I got for the cruise is these motion pack sickness thingies I'm gonna put behind my ear to make sure your girl is not trying to, I'm not trying to get motion sickness on this cruise. So, and I'm about to be on this boat for 7 days, so we got some of those. In addition to something to prevent motion sickness, I just went ahead and got these gins. I heard these are really good for motion sickness as well. A lot of women in the comments said they work, especially for women who experience heavy nausea while they're pregnant. So I just picked these up. I'm like, if it works for a pregnant woman, I know it will work for me on the cruise because I do not like being nauseous. So I got a couple items that I picked up from TJ Maxx and Target for this trip. So let's go through these items really quickly. So of course I need my liquid IV. I need this, especially if you're gonna be drinking and, you know, be up and not sleeping or whatever. So I need my liquid IV for that. Got my favorite Lysol and Clorox wipe. Slow down, girl. For the plane and to wipe down all the surfaces on the cruise, at the hotel, you know. Everything else I got that I'm about to show you guys is from TJ Maxx that I will be taking on this trip. So I needed some more tongue scrapers, and these are my favorites. So I picked these up from TJ Maxx. I also picked up this cute little pill case. So I like to pack like my vitamins and any type of medication necessities that I need. So I went ahead and picked this up, and I think this is so cute and functional for me, and it's small, so I could just throw it in like my travel bag. So I got one of those. So my favorite part, y'all know I'm a press on girly. That's how I'll be saving my money. I got these nails. So I got this color, which is so cute. These are the ones I'm going to wear on vacation, y'all. Look at this. Don't that screams like Jamaica? Don't it screams the DR? Don't it screams like the Bahamas? Yeah. So I'm gonna definitely put these on, and I think for my toes I'm going to do either one of these shades of pink, or I'm gonna do French tip because I love a good French tip. I also got my favorite moisturizer from TJ Maxx. I love this moisturizer, and I was out, so I'm definitely going to pack her. And I got one of my favorite sunscreens, a travel size of it, which is the Peter Thompson Ross Water Drench. I'm telling y'all, before y'all go to Ulta or Sephora, check y'all TJ Maxx or Marshalls. They be having the brand name stuff for half the price. So you know, like a travel size is like $24. It was $9.99. So I definitely went ahead and got one of those. And then I got like a travel size of the Dr. Bronner soap. I love this soap. Okay, this soap makes me feel so clean, so good, and it be making my booty tingle. So that is everything that I picked up for this vacation I'm about to go on, y'all. I can't believe I'm about to be on a boat, on a cruise for 7 days. I hope I don't get bored. I hope I don't feel like I just need to get off this boat. Like, I hope I have a good time. I really do. I will. I'm going to speak it. I'm going to speak it into existence. Hey, girl. Hey, good morning. It's the next day, y'all. So, what I got planned for today? So, we leave Saturday. Today is Tuesday. I'm on my lunch break. So, what I'm about to do is go get a wax. I'm contemplating if I really want a wax because my cycle is about to come on, and I really don't like that for me because vacation time, you know, you're supposed to. And TT, Mother Nature is going to be in the way. Aww. And I'm just like, would this be a waste of $60? Like, should I just trim down there and just call it a day because I'm going to be having a pad on anyway? So I bought some new shoes for vacation. These slides that I got from Coach, which I love the hard bottom of this because I like stuff that grips the ground when I'm walking. And so, but the thing is that because this is, I don't know if it's real leather or fox leather or whatever, this is kind of tight. And I know typically whenever I buy slides that this leather takes a while to kind of like start stretching out. So I think I'm just gonna go ahead and wear these today to stretch them out so they won't be so tight across my back. I'm on a strict preparation budget. Like, I'm not trying to spend a lot of money on preparing for the trip, like not buying a lot of clothes, shoes, nails. Like, no, like, we're gonna DIY some stuff. Okay, we're gonna do our own hair. We're gonna get the front braided. We're gonna do our own hair. Let's talk about that. Yes, I'm rambling. So I called the shop that I typically go to get my hair braided, and remind y'all, I just want the front braided. And I called like, hey girl, hey, can you squeeze me in? I'm thinking the most they would charge me is like $70, $80. She said $100. Even though it's $20 more, I was like, $100 just to braid literally probably this part of my head from here to here. That's all I want. And everything else is going to be the quick weave. $100? Girl, I'm really like, do you want to pay the $100? But I do, just to, whatever. Like, I could just add on another $100 and got my boho braids. So I won't have to do anything. Like, what? But is that a normal price, or is that like, girl, Camille, you being cheap? Like, am I being cheap? I think I'm being cheap. But let's go, y'all. Good morning. Hey girl, hey. It's the next day. At this point, I don't know what day we on, where we at in this vlog. All I just know is that I have been super busy. Okay, just trying to get everything in order. So today is what I like to call Vacation Olympics. I'm about to get my nails done. I'm about to do my feet. I am going to get my hair done. So I just got this hat on and my poof ball in the back. Again, I'm just getting the front of my hair braided. I'm gonna come home and put these bundles in. Y'all, I'm actually kind of liking these bundles so far. Like, I got them off of Amazon. I've seen people talk about them on TikTok, and so I don't want to give a full review, but they feel nice. I washed them. They smell nice. The texture seemed nice, and it was only 90 bucks. Get into that. Y'all know I love affordability over here. So yeah, this room is very chaotic because it's clean towels and sheets and stuff over here. I'm looking at shoes, clothes over here, toiletries all on the floor. Yeah, but we're gonna get it done. So I have to be there at 11. It's currently like 9:30. I'm gonna stop at the bank, Starbucks, get some coffee, get something to drink. I got a taste for those egg bites, so I'm gonna get those and then head to my braiding appointment. Your girl is done, okay? Your girl is done with the day of the things you need to get done. But as y'all can see, I got my hair braided the first half. At first I was not feeling it. I hate that they use all of this jam. Like, this is not how I be wearing my baby hairs, and it's like stuck and it's hard. So I'm gonna probably have to put some water on this and redo them, because what is this? What is this? Like, y'all excuse the scarf. That's as good as it's gonna get. But I did go to Nordstrom Rack. I don't know why they gave me this big old bag for one item. So I picked up these. I've been wanting to try some jelly shoes for the longest, and so I saw Nordstrom Rack had some for 20 bucks, and so I love the way they look. So I just picked up the clear to take with me. I'm like, this will be a good neutral shoe to have. I went to Ulta because, as you guys know, all over TikTok, when Serena Williams makeup business is going out of business, so I went and I picked up some products. I'm about to show. Hey girl, hey. So, and it is 11:52 p.m. okay. Put this quick weave in today. I tried to shape it up, but it took me a while to do this. I don't know why. But it's 11:52. We gotta leave to go to the airport at 3 a.m. I just drunk a Celsius energy drink. Y'all probably can't hear me because my husband got the TV going with the game going, and I just decided I'm just gonna stay up, watch a podcast, take a shower, and then by that time it should be what? Should be 3 o'clock, because we start boarding at 5 in the 5, and the airport is an hour and a half away. So we leave at 3, we'll get there at 4:30. I'm excited. I'm just excited to just chill and relax and drink and eat. Okay guys, I'll see y'all in the next video. As always, thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you like the content and you loving the vibe over here, make sure you go ahead and hit that subscribe button. I would love to have you part of the family. I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye.